You might know that there are some different times in the day when you notice that your focus starts to get a little bit off. Maybe you start to think about something that's coming up, or maybe your brain is still thinking about something that happened in the past. Or maybe it's during something in the day that you just don't find very interesting. No matter the circumstances, we know that it's important to get our focus flashlight back on whatever is supposed to be most important right now. I want you to practice the 3 steps right now so that when you notice your focus getting off track, you can use it in real time. So remember our 3 steps. What am I supposed to be doing? What do I need? Can I get started on my own? And if you notice that you're getting distracted in class, maybe you are going to do this and you're going to think that to yourself. What am I supposed to be doing? Or maybe you're just going to remember that first step and you're going to think it inside your head. What am I supposed to be doing right now? And then think about where the clues are. Right now, use your eyes to look around your room. Where are there clues that tell you the answer to that first question? What am I supposed to be doing right now? Now think to yourself the second question, what do I need? And think about where in your classroom you can see clues for what you need. Maybe there's a board in your room that says what you need. Maybe your teacher writes it on the board, or maybe you look around to see what's at your table spots with your classmates. And then finally, asking yourself, can I get started on my own? And when you ask yourself this question, you should be thinking, can I get started by myself on my own, or do I need to go and ask for some sort of help? Take a look at this reminder from last time. So try out this 3-step questioning to help you get back on track more quickly. It can also be helpful to let the juggler know exactly what the goal is before we start something. This means that we're kind of making a plan before we get started. So I have a new example for you. If I am a student in science class and my job is to write a paragraph on butterflies, this is what the finished product would look like. Then let's think, what would I need to do to meet this goal? Well, I need to write an introduction. I need to have a few sentences in the middle, let's say 3 sentences, and I need to have a concluding sentence. That would complete my paragraph. Okay, I know the goal, I know what I need to do to meet the goal. Now I need to think, what materials do I need to make this happen? I need my notebook, I need my pencil, I also need to be at my desk spot. Now I know what materials I need, what I need to do, and then what it looks like or what the goal is to be done. That is going to help my juggler to keep me on track. By thinking about your plan and by using the 3 steps, I'm hopeful that when you notice your focus getting off track, you can help yourself to get your flashlight back on what's important. Try this out today, and teachers, see if you can remind students when you notice them getting off task by giving them one of these silent signals. Good luck!